Asempa FM 94.7. All talk, all day.
Ekosiisen so any said you and we didn't want to do hard issues, but we couldn't help it on this one. I was say your name Kofi Kinaata. Yes.
One we use a brick wine, a juregu. The issue one road, but Obepono, a juregu
saying.
So say Caneno, meaning a previous administration, on me an India funding can't be near because so Serbian TV Nuguma. In so JJ, I want to know a whole journal. It's a juregu. It's way we cross a follow under offer. Amaquata. And I'm on Mr. Is it I one way, Beponosono, Beponosono, I one way, Beponosono, I one way. Your best say. Mubonya abotre na multimedia ko na afeso mo ese fatase mutu ana mo na mudwiri kwa no so man no mo hena mo papa kwa no so nyoma nyina na ebi antimi nko kama na weso obi na ehira na ma foso wa homji ono aba na kane nka otimi papa ncha nka otunya rise nka beti na wasa bad ne se fanti me kwa gaza on pa fi bi no vanity say normal one no
Asempa FM.
I see
ba man enwum we tie say what you know, I say flight lieutenant. If I can say, Kofi Boni, as a flight about it.
Flight Lieutenant Colonel Corporal Sergeant Commander Honorable Sheikh Alhaji Kinaata.
Na Bibi Abokoa.
Oh, I say you.
Yeah, Martin Suri to heavy, papa, on easy. By that's there, Utuma Bekayensa. Ain't he only chorus? Wow, where one of the first tracks, say, yeah, one your man, no, Odikani.
Yeah.
Wow, those times. Yeah, those times. Yeah, Kaya.
Yeah, baby. 2012.
2012.
Yeah.
Okay, 2012. 2011, 2012. That time, now, hardcore rapper. Charlie, they rap too much. Because they tell you lyrics, no. And me kind there, a bar DJ Black show, though.
Yeah.
With this song, Masa Kwadi tweety, they are saying what real fancy rap.
Yeah.
And see, or yeah, any probably bring one day a movie from rap into singing by Baba. But those years, started day, you know, did you ever imagine they go to time? Waba Fro VGM de Kofi Aje High Life Artist of the Year. Name them they be switch them about High Life.
Yeah, my starting, there was nothing like rap.
Yeah.
Okay, reggae music na day with fear na day. But my kind of man, you're not rapping or
okay.
You know, I was influenced by that. Yeah, you know, not rapping.
It joined a trend, you know.
Yeah.
That was the trend then.
Yeah, not rapping or so I've got the
yeah.
Yeah, that's squad or only be the or influence and rapping, but this my style of music na mlena go for susuka hey Kofi dem ndwumide da man sama na aka bi wo rap ma agbolodo adasa mo rap bi wo ho that the opadozes ji wonwa na nya won na edeka rap na ya da bibi da nkwanhye rap obiale mponyim there
Injonya na left in after the bay.
Yeah, into me yadi be different. Ekete mu rap bia, okete message, mu rap bia. Otedam do you melton you but na attention in the war. Into bia no me feel there. Package no nkofu hu nti no the ss package no attract nkofu
and that's the genesis of afeba music into singing and kasa. Wow, that's really interesting. That's just my first question to Kofi Kinaata. There are still some more questions.
Asempa FM 94.7 all talk all day.
You who life and kasa in the way state be and shadam pay if school baby she did and yet the man school ma kwan ya ma kwan book ama kwan
book ni da baby
yeah ya ma kwan ahwe until then that after school po abako classes Saturday classes na the classes why they we ask na book ngotin afano apart from why the book sense no home sense bia papa bia anka wan there so home sense what woman will film pa inyama bi wo but yan apple school happen e bia adwuma bi ode ye fi aye wi e da agol wo bosesa what time aso abi fi nti ye hu bi bia bi from e da agol bia atasa bi bia bi it's no
and through them life ni nya a lot of the terms so was a tardy fan today terms now no rule in the terms we break but in a primary school here hen
mo ko na nabre mpone yo
on na bring pony out on so we fie kuma oh okay
never pay complex e ho no
yeah
Jesus
so who fear was just opposite school no
yeah but I nature we school o
Mrs. Skujo area ho
yeah Mrs. Skujo oh bia ho I'm no mama ko Mrs. Skujo no or transfer no ko afia
ko no ko afia nkwanta oh okay in the ho no wo
yeah nti me half cars Mrs. Skujo half half
okay and from primary school na ko Takrady Technical Institute
from
TTI Ekwayaba program or
BBC block laying and concreting
but
no construction but block laying and concrete I didn't
it is a tum esidana like a normal block laying
yeah call my first year I'm quite Mammy baby some the nay because I'm so me a beast also chatting them so yesterday and this is how a bit miss the name so me level so won't move with it I met him but
wow and after TTI then straight into music
more TTI and puna entertainment nowadays perform or na
okay and what was that breakthrough for you because what Takrady there it's a Sky Ray program Kofi Beba underground artist Charlie Boys Le Hustle na abe rap kakra and I remember my last performance who what Takrady was I think Tic Tac at 10 concert no was Sky enyim I think I want to be rap but what was the breakthrough because what Takrady yet was a Samina before what was that breakthrough
Kasahari show.
Okay.
Those days, Ubia Rapichi, what Ubia Rapichi.
Yeah.
I mean, tell my from day one. I mean, my art to the me bronibi, and the minty me yard be a minim. And being me.
Yeah.
Some young Podeka be a crossing and be a penadam, send them much try them Lucian As mob call studio when I'm Mokorapano or competition, Kasahari competition, Moqueno, Mokorapet, I'm straight. Even your uncle Fupi walk off until but Wale and you obey the tree, no feed the tree, no market out. But I'm a queno. Fancy Namaka straight or Namalaka fancy so Mama can be Namalakana. Into more rapid, no more FM station anymore. Why am I confusing your promotion in the popular?
Or
rapid punches so punch by punch. Even there, as some can be a relate, some Malaka, but do only a freestyle, which show which is a honor, the minia fans and all. McKay battle be so Dr. Pounds so or you be or Cape Coast. Dr. Pounds said the non for fee. Cape Coast bar, Anchor Mufoni show, Melody FM. See, my bank of P bar pay. We Cape Coast for 3, we talk for 3. We go for P bar pay. But I'm in why they may say Ugina Bassa. I'm in the Mama. Talk for now. After show now, for Fred, hey. Out of Kinaata, and one Cape Coast for G and title. Into a frack of Fikin Western, Coffee didn't tell one of your responsibility about the Mudu. Represent, from there, no, Kofunim from Hono, they develop fan base in Yin Kakanka, Budlani.
Wow,
2013. only chorus no or ball ebe show what a crowd Kofi Kinaata da uti what is artist ni na ba
or that's still a Kofi
perform and many more for no because no show the bial perform and many more baby what when did Kofi Kinaata but don't worry did it promote that no one does know what when did they did even the man edge mic and say yeah your baby need deliver into no 2018 the mono na me high grade.
Oh, okay. In the 2013, and high grade contact no or band then there were about takwad no be hu wan not them.
No, eba takwad you never cried. Masamba back. The your kweno, baby your best stage your pan your kweno, baby in the madana. Hence no idea rumors no around now. When you chorus no so or start to obo akra some forcing no obo na kaka akra into no na nko fully tea when they need because fancy America no or normal. Obi alaka fancy ba made no.
Or deep.
Or deep but Malaka on Chichu Bian, man stylish, raw. Yeah. From then, in your course, promoters, offend the managers now, they, what am I in Pedami a day, made in Pedami a day, Pedami a demo, Munam show hope, I'm a rapper and I am a down, I'm a full stake in the moon, the business has been put on. So there, me. Former manager Tony Pan, no, so honor manage Samini.
Okay.
All the chairman there, upon manage blah 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 blah. No, honor manage Samini.
Wow.
So okay, Samini mood. Oh, I be there.
Betima. Wow.
My bear no.
And that's 2013.
2013.
Yeah. Okay.
My bear na. Mumudo okay I don't know million amada the fans keke ni bit my agiska ntino I want to groom wala chira onye maybe eye the day obey day wo fans no o deep dodo or they breaking it down punchline be nkofo ntase ele adana man nkofo ni ntisa wan ntasa why there you are working in vain why there damanya manyama no ntino e ho no nyina na yesunsu ya da madness ya you break nyama down man comforters and can no put still one task
yeah
but one task is waged
into through that time and them change over ne bay into then obi enyim I mean Kofi rapper wa rap water crowd all of a sudden yet you mean
Asempa FM Ekosiisen on Asempa FM.
Obinade sosino wodi po. Obinyawayo. Obinade sosino wodi po. Shobinyawayo. Obinade sosino wodi. Obinyawaya. Obinade sosino wodi po.
Enti Susuka me hunzo man hene boni trinko ewa ha back of this was like a breakthrough song say ye penyoma o ma Kofi ye national hit or ye dem nyumi ha what thinking or call into enyumi because it was like wow this is really motivational no for him
say baby na ye finity e hunya ba pi e wodo bu o ha they be on the all complain. Odo obiala ombo mo obiala okoro ombo mo ombi atasa
ombi
mo obiala yenya akuti ne the number obi no hu a complain Mrs. Salen why the complaints are dorsum yen we flip there e bi mo po yele ma wo po wonti mo so ne wo complain e bi me wu ma e the mad na tinam mpebibi a waka am nkofo there otide no panya me ayebi o yen relax kase wakan atasa
the J award right
Bochenyo
was songwriter
I high life song
I just songwriter and high life song wow that's Susuka
songwriter high life artist okay. Second time back but
say AG new artist of the year, new artist. AG new artist of the year. And AG songwriter. Yeah, I remember. AG new artist, not just songwriter.
Yeah.
And the following year, and I think getting into VGMA that year after them you mean now a sure there beji new artist because that year no a very competitive. Now you sure that beja?
Yeah, I'm no. Do you believe my life? No, for him, they be okay. How they be able to manage. Them na meti. May expect issue will be at us. May assume they you do it and be anything can happen. We are hoping for the best while expecting the worst. You know, I had a one. Be at me see tomorrow. Na get some illusions be right there tomorrow. Be now I'm back. Every someone. Yeah. You know. wabo me di no ho mpo oye no oye ma me dey wabo me di no ho I recognize him no ti melebo hobby mo be si bialensi ti wada ma no menwaje me nya so anka no
anka still a move
okay what chance
and Esha, that was the year your first major award
yeah
with Susuka and after that you thought that okay say my first song as in now ma tonyom na ma award then let me stay on that same line moboa
honestly one factor but you bakare enyom na ngasa oho
yes
rhythms wo ho by the rhythms wo mumu sisa menyim bebia malakoto ato menyim style medele ye nti no oida moto oida oba out first no na ebona ma limit some ho I'm a rapper I'm a be day nti bia beat bi polo ball in your rhythm bi wo pede kasa no pede focus on rap no enyom so or spiritual dey say enyom
or dropper no wa drop
loba beat drop na o kawakoma inyama baba no wiena freestyle wiena ubo na back na ite ya enkara ya na nti no bibi wom nti why there you have to let yourself go beat little boy I dey really feel bia kan on another time
in the man box on shame them a rapper and time the rap na
music mo le baby ato nti no dem na me later on okay na mo join the flow no
okay
I was going with the flow so beat little boy I dey obey bia na ma aye so or connect to our soul madam na eto obi aso connect
that's interesting in the story Kofi Kinaata wins 2016 VGMA Best New Artist of the Year and that was I think the first award Susuka AJ said them dressing in at the cool stage okay okay in
the confessional
confession no say confession year no na be performing made in Tadi in no e de Anchor's best stage, you know. Okay. Now the confession, and he also a year time we need new artist. No, in the end, the following year, then this song also dropped. Okay, so that's Kofi Kinaata with Confession. Unim, a new way, even in the House of Parliament, parliamentarians toy, and I was like, wow, that's now a hit. And I think say a latest song is in China, your biggest hit, Moboa, Confession.
Yeah.
Mowa.
Minimum but why they I am maximum who style munchu. So what made in Tadi or what crowd no about confessional it won't difference.
Made in Tadi or made in Tadi. Equata crowd made in Tadi.
So over one belly down. And you may want a question on coffee first. And you never will be a basa.
And see, that was Confession. And Confession, a two main awards. I mean, Confession, Mao High Life Song of the Year, Mao High Life Artist of the Year,
and Songwriter of the Major 3.
Oh, J3 with Confession. Yeah. And that was when I thought, yes, Kofi has arrived because High Life Artist. This is a rapper. Our transition into singing now. What's not the whole Ghana, the High Life Artist.
No, and
that was when maybe a call back to root, say in Western region in Takrade, High Life Gurus in CK Man nom, AB Quental nom, Ambule nom. When your influence be in what's singing, them in penny free.
Question mental.
No, maybe say ain't growing up. Another year watching there about Tonyom Ciciano. CK Man nom na Papa Nyanson. When your influence be what singing.
Of course, but when one of the what boy in the room on your pa until I bet CK Man nom a big nom a Betty P.
Yeah.
You know, pa.
And the story behind Confessions, you know. Obi a wako out and adwa wako wabu.
Do you know my padam be no? No, my padam be nyuma. E won nyuma obo club ni mo wade so. But na padam be nyuma wade ba sign out. Atasa today club ni mo no wale ba pon da nyuma no. Na wade sign out. Club dey happen metasi no mo say about Radi Begis ntelo ko de kita waka ki Radi Begis tia no. Na why dey be.
They pay.
Wow,
that's really interesting.
Yeah, it's our calm elbow. Elite no caution or there. It be a final question. Or we are born hold on. I did be drive safe. Now for direct course.
That was our intention
Yes.
for Nyom.
Yeah.
But a man for and decoding ye.
Obi wo obabo na obo na odubo.
Mamifa we ntwem Sasso insecticide spray and coil papa a mouse and tontome how other insect area maunsanka Sasso insecticide spray and coil a free Samara company limit also Sasso come tonton preko bomodin na maunsaka bi ena e fiada o kodwoma kodidwa for the weekend kai ne pe African queen mackerel pe oba papa sardine ne pe oba papa tomato paste ebeboa papa aduane ayede e me nije abefie sa we mo so easy to open unhia 10 kata ne sekan bia open do to afre 0302 668357 oba papa tomato paste or say wara obe check register general's department so say enfan to my name say e was say ko file wo annual returns now say ko renew business names e wo ho e mandatory in the morning so obekwa kwa wan koya na deadline no e pa ho a obetua 400 Ghana e flat penalty a obetua in the morning national so ema yen ya de hia papa me san abode wuro ni bio say smart training institute training no Accra de na e ba so 22nd to 24th October ye training 3 days intensive training on 4 different programs your biogas biofuel digester 3D epoxy tiles and a CCTV installation ya de was say ode wo ho ehim 22nd to 24th October fra 0244 913 981 e ba so fanko barrier asofan abodwese junction e ho na training ni ebeba so e bo modern national so efa emayen Ekosiisen na ha Asempa 94.7 FM yene Kofi Kinaata ena ehwe edi nkomo ene ewo dwumedie yi eso nti bomodin na channel so wo messages afabra 0546 382 287 0546 382 287 na onso entio. But again, I mean, Yeka Kofi Kinaata nyomono, one of my favorites, Kofi Kinaata. After say Orini High Life Song of the Year, High Life Artist of the Year, Songwriter of the Year for the second time, then o release Sanyumi. No, Kofi, too much. And Nyame amount that today our football game.
Oh, what ball game? I go for what you lost.
And nobody know ne hips near 37. 36.
Curved and wide.
Curved and wide.
Yeah.
Kofi Kinaata. No, I weigh too much.
Now, how many dimensions? I'm really having.
When you're there, Ochame Kwame card there. Them stands are no the most creative rapper water.
Yeah.
Yeah,
on the drop on you, oh, you home buffalo.
Oh, okay.
On your money, yeah, I know. Come on, my women, on your money,
yeah. But that song was good. Sweetie Pie was really good. And now me check on YouTube. Say a your video.
But
and just audio now. But me show views now over 2 million, right?
Yeah.
Without video.
Video and call.
that was a good song. Me personally, or my personal favorite. No, no, and I think a bar before confession, a bar before confession. After Susukane drop
E.
Okay, but I think Obenya waves no more after. Okay, obviously, say after confession, attention board. Then people. Started looking at
okay, this a way to see. Oh, yeah, and then you but still a ball budget.
Sweetie Pie is a solid song. Sweetie Pie is a good song. And apart from Sweetie Pie, this song is also really good. And I mean, because of the live band feel,
the whole show.
Oh, wow. No, Kofi Enyima. Yeah. My favorite song. My favorite Kofi Kinaata song. Chaleba, the whole show is solid. In a BB Live.
Yeah.
Live recording.
Yeah. You're born live. Nah. mokwe na me sketch kwe kindi na obo sketch na the kwe the one live so one live we na the kindi in the studio na mobile voices na the biana or mixing all your war from because live all Marty actually had each other na high
Charlie Bay solid Kofi solid solid. This is a good song the whole show and me tell you lyrics now why are there who previous songs in FFFA because me tell Sweetie Pie womb me tell Made in Tardy womb them that was the idea right
to be ho susu nka echi o verse no
susu council womb
yeah munyu so ne title yeah Triple Vim we dey move on a cheaper version pop we are sorry size no do
on say what talk credit
me yeah I know I read them
triple rhythm okay
James Jane reading be
okay
see no don't me shampoo what size boys mba made in tardy no confession o majesty and na time no day it like can adapt songs ni nyina bobo Charlie that was really creative and me did that art say based on AE and Sasha because not so many musicians know team where the mad and there to even sit down and think that may one song or be cover me songs are my nyina art then go for about for your creativity in songwriting or some special AE be wa but them if you are a talent no me pay nyama ide ebokwe deep kakara de ade bia ehwe mo nwom na titles mpa bisa I went to fans nwom na man abro for title things fall apart if you ask am back confession I will comfort kakara inde ade no the ebe
obvious them no be
no you know I am pede me de nyama hihia kones kakara na won so we team no we serious as a listeners we serious and
and ye bibia
listeners and so I'm on my standard no man that's why they man so me raise some bar bia na there in maybe to ama will tell in some level so they try they be meet one and you be am up but try they because when I watch on you Ghana or doors so easy to be back there Kofi Kinaata you mon ko bom pode minti am team enyom pi ma ble mu hu style for minti ma ble ekobo na bia why they waste your time them feeling the minister lot oh you bufu ntimpado bi beti mo nywa dey
na
bad time because them time no de kete wonyu no po oye
e kan wonyoma e why wonyoma hin cc a into men can e putting together in say 8 song another 8 track albums ebenya album bear him
ebenya album
bear 4 albums okay we'll come back to why there is no album from Kofi Kinaata but me did there at here about songwriting and creativity no at the argument there I will a lyricist and your songwriter at from senior Rexoma what do you know on then
my church or no opinion atasa or no opinion we also on him too much atasa hence you know I am pere man ka mo tonwom santi na meka na me songwriter wo atasa mo tonwom de my fans went some fans would say be fans be nkete mo what say fans rap god obi ana na de ntino ne be no so any reason other kadam no ntino
okay you take it your strikes
Ronaldo you go share onyum dribbling or with speed or power or a day but on your footballer
oh answer you know
them na mu yeah
but there are lots and lots of messages now and then Kofi was sending messages no me say hey on the other metam Kofiba because one I want send the message cry na challenge
my fans say we freeze your phone
on easy
yeah them record freeze your phone
hey say the God of Israel never disappoint. Ask Kofi Kinaata to tell us the name of the ship that brought the Bible and the schnapps. Enyim ship kola or MV Benjamin and Abba ship.
Bampere you quit question you better dive with
ehun nipa wa bet na won na
legend
me introduce ni CCA eba multimedia ha ewa oye Chief Operations Officer COO for the whole radio na digital media onye nipa kakraba enti enyima meba Asempa FM ha menye program bia mo boss ewremu abetna there ye man the mic and then the first time Charlie Kofi aye Kofi aye Kofi aye
they used to tell me aye
Kofi aye boss akwaba
yeja
na obi bese ha boko na wonam
send the order to from mu say and the host Kofi
yes
and I'm catch say na there enya ade ami beti baby except Ekosiisen
yes
enti mikokrum kakra nso de bi ahwe me afine ba na me pentem aba
kafra
na ma be hu Kofi ansa na abo 4 enti me baya manante se no
oh okay ene Kofi anti na wonam
ono anti na nso na no me sa o hwa me shoe ne me ma fade nyina nso na no me pa
Kofi you should be proud of yourself this is huge say nim papa your ote ha na wa fensuma ba because of our winter Charlie this is huge aye Kofi aye
na ye we tie phone ntia ye me ntia we tie phone na ye nyina ye tie phone ntia na Kofi aba fie dey asena chese ya Asempa papa because ni nyomia o dey aba bontin bia no ye nyuma so to boys na utia aba wompa spectrum no across the spectrum left to right top to bottom bibi woma obefa lyrically no you're very tough and utie nso a utuminya nyansasem bebre wo mufa ya fotusem nso enti so waba he na yeda na se so waba be kasama ye tifo I hope so wabo nyum nso ma tifo nso
wabo nyum
Asempa ya mumonyum
ya monyum
ene de wabo nyum Kofi am wabo nyum ti Kofi ya da se we de mi twemu enti meja mama mato anka ya de tifo so
boss yenso ya da se ya mi shra
boss ma
Kofi aye too much aye enti Mr. Kenan San and Amoten Nkano COO Radio and Digital Media Multimedia Group
Asempa FM 94.7 all talk all day.
First ship on our bed on for the Jesus
ship
but on the point of chance one man can miss I did shape now the Bible ben prophecy.
Oh, okay.
Prophecy.
In Wanya was
say Crawford was to be some Crawford.
Kofi wild. Ain't Ace, please tell Kofi to wait and eat some omutuo with me inside Sakomono before he goes back to the Harbour City. Brothers I'd say. Ain't he? Yeah. I'll do that very soon. My main kind message is Kakana for Yentwas. We say the creative prowess of Kofi Kinaata is so exceptional. The latest music for the Christmas things fall apart. And to think that Obi's Senior Chairman General, that's Kwame Sefaka, is playing it regularly on Kokroko will make it bigger. And kudos to Kinaata. Kwesi Reynolds or Agona or Dobin. We say, tell him I'm lacing my boots for a collaboration. Greet him for me, a real gem. Team move. And I'll say he is a footballer and ambassador to Cheetah FC. One ambassador, Cheetah FC. I'll say, Obi, don't get me angry. Please read my message now. I read the message. Thank you, my brother. We say, Obi, yes, besides heaven and America, Tadi is the next. The B or record, the best comes from the West. Also, on to be heaven in America, Tadi or record. Guy G, New York in New Jersey. And I'll say regards to all my homies in Takrady News site. Thank you, Guy G. We say, wow. We check him too. In Abawa Radio or UK. What's the anytime ever by UK be a host to or Abawa Radio or UK. Tadi style Obi the entertainpreneur. Thumbs up to Kinaata. I simply love the guy's music. Wait for Sampine here, regional secretary my MPP Washanti region. Okay. In there fans no white or a white. Or say Obi, this guy drives me crazy at any time. I usually listen to any of his interviews on YouTube anytime I'm stressed out. He always makes my day anytime via either his music or interviews, full of wisdom and my Tadi jargons in there, boy. Ace, tell him I love his music. I listen to him all the time. Great musician by all standards. When is he doing a USA tour? grant from the embassy. Also, greetings from the embassy of Ghana in US.
Oh,
in
nice.
the end, they say, "What do they call US?" Any problem? Sorted. In the opportunities now be brave. Kofi Tonto, thank you. Kofi Tonto, information officer with US Embassy, and as a Ghana Embassy with US of A. A say, good afternoon, Obi. Greetings to my brother Omanhene, and I'm loving your show already. Obi, Kofi Kinaata is just too much. Richmond was Standard Chartered Bank. Na Munyonko member of parliament being so said there. Minfa Eimao. Okay. Ose, good afternoon, Obi. Please, I'm enjoying him against the rain. So today, no politics. Ose, no politics on the show. But teye so from the whole show, oye bonyo. Kinaata. We're made in Tadi. In the year my uncle's phone.
Yeah.
Now a Waba group, uncle's group now.
Musona mo holy.
No holy. See that it will be Charlie, and that I don't know you for send him. Oh, new uncle's group you go friend on them.
Oshimana,
no, no shim.
Supreme,
no new one.
Okay.
Supreme no send them message yesterday. We pay this year. Oh, this year the other am so pay.
But I hope I'm going to show.
This year the other you pay. Charlie, AC, good afternoon, boss. Please tell Kofi I like his songs. Please tell him next year, God willing, he will be live in Mampong Equiapim for the Ohum Ojora Festival. Where Nana Yerenchi the first. Ono ye Mampong Equiapim Apesemaka hene. Inti no ye or ye sorry. Too much. He say he shouldn't leave without motherfucker. Or say that song kills. Popular request. Onassis Kobi, Medasemati, Honorable Ebenezer Nate, MP for Ablekuma Central. Good afternoon to you. Onoze Otie Ofili Kofi. Oh, August Nahim for today, Charlie. Also say hi to Kofi.
21st in your quarter, made in Tadi,
Obiamra. He say, good afternoon, bro. Tell Kofi I would sow for him because his songs are good. Enti enya obi obe pamatarama. Enti I say Kofi, I say too much. Let me see the other messages here before we move on. Okay. Edwin say, Obi, Kofi is my wife's favorite. Sometimes she plays his songs all day. Repeat. I have no right to complain. Edwin, no. Okay, Charles Bissio say him Charles Bissio. Yeah. Good. Also, hey bro, tell Kofi the West Side love him to bits. He is dope. Team move. Okay, the Charles Bissio, good afternoon to you wherever you may be at the moment. Thank you so much.
Senior man, I wouldn't need
yes, senior man, pa. Obi, do you know the meaning of panya? Oh, I mean panya. Panya is Spain.
Panya for you would do.
You would do.
Hey, this is my name, I town.
Okay, we see. Good day, Obi. Wow, you make all. I'm loving Kofi Kinaata pa. Nana Kwesi Azozo, Ewo, New York City. God bless Kofi Kinaata. He's a serious musician. God bless him by our chichum. Citizen Francis say, Obi, I know Kofi Kinaata in person. He's a very humble person. Anybody who has lived in a Fiekoma, Mrs. Kujo, to be precise, before will attest to this fact. Obi, I'm prophesying that Kofi Kinaata will be the first Ghanaian rapper to win the Grammys.
Amen.
Hey, you
Once I suppose we did, I'm a translator more.
Citizen Francis, thank you so much. We say, Victor from Adesso, or say you don't always read my messages, or I've stopped sending messages on your program. At least today I've read. We say, Obi, Kofi Kinaata is just something else. This is pure talent. He is gifted. I'm David from Kaswa, #1 fan. Team Move. He should keep doing what he's doing. Greetings to you and the entire team. But Kofi, me tell you when you focus more on Odo, love, and social issues, and your politics. Why?
Well, it's an expert, so 1 hour, man.
Out there, on you.
Yeah.
But say, you through music, no. It can some other fans are come to be.
But Master American, so well, it's here. Next, I have some no woman. Yeah. The union pa and any baby. Now, I start from. Even I am Panama politics because. Yana a problem no at us intimate and one who's been in front to 2 feet now Ochoka can aban flood in Taban Yana county young policy young face ye modern and you bet me you'll be in the year.
Wow. Now Adam and Eve your own yoma before latest one but for more anti Adam and Eve dano there should probably be a story behind because yoma the video also bad to promote the song together, and the video was really, really good. In the more amount Adam and Eve, Dano, take a listen.
Asempa FM.
Washa makumemu achal papa nende gina mamunko na montoma kada modawa na mabawlata obidawa aya dudonibio mama ngasanchal samodawa home girl dudonibio achala dele along shawe yiva nele ya hawada mami mi adam mada ya sundu na moso me ya sundu da abitina ya yaba shade yiva nele ya hawada Mami mi adam, shada ya sundu na muso me ya sundu da. Ya fumbo mi ya album and katrack one no. Ya ba start the intro, mama ya verse na be end the rap on track 2 no. Very romantic, me propose the rain na me say yes I do, be track 3 no. Oya zone 2, wombo with disco, one fancy I don't go na track 4 no. Ya no gospel, when the reception want someone watch up on a track 5 day. Adult music, jiggy story, different story, family story. How you even how Mami me adam, mami ya sungu na muso me ya sungu da. Amelitina ya album, how you even how Mami me adam.
So that's Adam and Eve. Maybe what said about who name say Kofi Nyoma. That's a Kofi Kinaata track. Solid track. Adam and Eve. A pure love song. Pure love song. And as a share in track 1, track 2.
Or the right album. Or voila. Only a singer also a singer to the boom or to album. In the album, the track 1. In some of us one life in man now can see track 5.
Wow. And that's Adam and Eve. And because unim the ama current song now is special and it's I don't remember the last time musician be releasing without controversy. Was mostly no musician they be nyomba no I said that the controversy be about betum just to hype the song, but without controversy. And nominate me are trendy both on traditional and social media. For almost 2 weeks running. Me who be that. And I think on that account, this would surely be your biggest hit. No doubt about this.
Really, so Kadamana manager kind the man me the na I and Martin me and Mondru Susuka release confession. Also last song in now no.
Part-time Christian, you won't fight full-time devil. Charlie also I want some.
I shall wash over. I don't I will do it. You're not only you.
Part-time Christian, you won't fight full-time devil. Wow, that's deep.
That much do beautiful, but won't say mama.
But anyway, this song no we raise why do you say or when nipa bebe na woni numba wontum nka because in sorry schools are members na nkasa ntimi mfa wo manko nipa bebre na pese o moka bo mu ntimi nka but through music I can so easy
style ya canon on any difficulty no sometimes asemi ba kola kan oil no kolo me fe example cancel lutrot
yes
na someone can most of us someone like oil no kolo but you oba kano you know you fear style ya kano obi nka ya offend you know on ma
It's
because it's a man. Mentas don't go for all emphasize on chapel schools, chapel in some of the doors. I open up our circle.
No, but it speaks to us as a society how because Nipanaba Kwasor. Yeah. Our offices are where corrupt activities.
Yes, when I saw about chapel.
Absolutely. One hour about chapel. And Uber Kaya, Ubeko 31st all night. Amount for free, sorry, them straight drinking bar. Ye booze am that. And I think it speaks to young society and how I degenerate your moral values and all of that. And I think a good way to bring out the song. Solid song. Imagine that there and you may be a big demand.
Yeah, but my expecting them like minimum there or a good song. Most of the times, my son look at musician be able to make it, but you slow there and you're not commercial because we say me say it be sky there and you're not be commercial. DJs or
hooks, woman for
DJs no so na or type of you more part of or at the commercial be a play. Yeah, you be able to make it, but you slow. There be a can the commercial song and in your hit focus now hit but I'm no free and fair lesson. Yeah. Moloto your my hit I hit intina. Me fans of no we team yum. Me fans when go for with team yum. So me release them you make one hour from mo phone the chow we special. Yeah, intino me dem go for be we team yum intino fine so be a hit or a hit too. Now that some American no we make impact yes.
And you think a message now cut down clear with this song?
Yeah,
message now.
Video se mu Facebook radi ya mo wan kokra obi ape
yeah. Martin Kofi Kinaata na oye short or 3 minutes 17 seconds.
But
Abadinta.
Oh, Asempa do it ya.
One can be brave.
And some ya pade ya summarize bibia. Yeah. I can say piano as my attention. No, on a long why there it be a human wonder or do enjoy
no way see. Yeah. But honestly a good strategy, at least now people would still want more.
Yeah.
People will still want more. Maybe I can made it to Facebook so I'm for questions. One question is standing out, man, and say what the potential to win artist of the year. But you would need an album. Why they in your album? And about time now album Reba.
Album the most the way I go for release album na approach towards albums or discourage him. Atasa I'm on some mobile na antasa mo be me up
yeah
so me put be there be release nyum na odos nti wo humo won tempo because the way me nyum no me yeda mama mala mo hu ti no there wa brush off it is I mean in album na ke it no A to Z oyo no ho attention ya the madam album atasa nti the band all about home into one is you and am of nation release for full
in the release the singles ne dem album nka project
album no the way fans wale is anu your mama woni bi enwum na po download it free nti pa album so aka download it free atasa encouragement bi anyim the album ni wal botto wa nti yan kejiska nti no ma you feel they be album
but without that and so in artist of the year and I want to them
enwum na ya award say you
na that award dem so ka ho
oh award the hwinyim wo ma wa bade onye bibia ma me bia wa frede bla onwumi anya onwumi asusuka bi kunu wu ya awo pa nka me yekum ho na meti on na ma award no ade bi we dey kita order no fans na woni nwaje wa ma nkasa de on shada anya mo hwe alasa today we pay fubi ono boss your better so mba ha da meeting da wa ba ha yeah some egbe phone lines are a inspiration and some of follow kade onwumi impact wa ye on internet yan purpose so man talent no need it on ya pa ye there what talent na the year then papa bi afrede na edwuma ase nkolkoko no mo tey wonwoma obi Kofi mit se wonwoma me nye hope the mad no na yakopon say so time bi na say obaba ampada ono bo hwe da jeje what talent at the year na there what talent at the year then me the award awarded the Okawa Omoye, but on your focus.
Yeah. The focus is to make impact. Yeah. That's good. That's a solid one. We say listening to Kofi now, West Side for Life, solid song by all standards. I told him this song is already a hit, and no wonder it's indeed a hit. Thank you, my brother, for coming through with this one. Message is not endorsed too much. We say okay. Okay. I get you. Messages no also, but fortunately for us, na every for anyone by being common about betnas that me who me penny for unim and omo the so munyina person omo kasa ansa na wako. So would allow them to talk. At least will be our one question. Say one question here. On one question each. Na I say commendation near there. Me na nyeba. Award na nyema. Eji award wa. He say Kofi Kinaata is super gorgeous, super lyrically fantastic. Obi, ask Kofi what is his greatest fear in life. Let him perform an a cappella version of Suka for my lovely people listening. Nana Oye Dakon and Kofi Ameyao in the state Afia Koto of Maslock and Ernest Kumi of Akwetia. Say Obama Opokwase. Ain't you prepared? Ebe rap line be amaye. Okay, my main start enyim papaya. Oye familiar. My friend Hopeson Adoye. Aha. Oye parliamentary candidate ma MPP. Wo la dade Pon Katamanso. Enti nyame tonsi opagu ne so obeye MP.
What a diagrocola pa. Last time you said no message. Now we go kuma say. It's true. Empty answer like that. Abraham James.
Sorry.
But and you know our boy. I foul out so far. Shimple na de ma buy no. And one additional was yet say na aduma go do at I say what the wife more similarities. Officer
enyim ne yera catch her name.
Oh, Empress Gifty.
Empress Gifty
the man. One of our fan.
Wow.
I see. Now be grand dear na. Nyumu. As you have who say no, I don't know. Ekoye. Na ya bona baso. In fact, nyumu Mate. So me said that me better here a boy.
Yeah.
I feel na ma picky mu deep. Na think say what deserve award. Me enjoy abo any ade.
Say ni pani deserve I am fama
no. What you say? Enyom no modu. Look, I sorry for you. You want sorry on more university. I sorry man ko mu ntimi ntua. Me o defer courses What you say? Asam no hate you. What you say? I saw for to Rolls Royce. The members Emma ntimi go school. What you say? Look, Abranje Yango Poishra wate.
Amen.
Why hate yourself no? I told you cause I send you no. I think say ubisa no. Question me pa na mfi say nka obetwe na to gata no mu eso so answer
ni
come just na dwunu mu do eti so na ene famika fans no famika fans no bo nyom no sa say oba no sutie wa bia to
na so ba free wa asana so what's on new takwada na mboa wife or root water crade.
Yeah.
Wife or root.
Or root or na chiba kra ho sisi.
Oh, okay. We say Charlie the Ronaldo analogy do deep and dope in responding to songwriter na answer name about Ronaldo no be so deep too much. One Kinaata we free ani osabote ho. Kwaku Boahen deputy national communications officer ma NDC your friend Kweku Boahen ehun enyima ehun ose Martin Amidu
we feel them more parliament
when you now Kweku you have the mic the obeka che Kofi
no say adano me ni we call program we ya na me ma me frame me no because na to ko be na won na put adan ana se me na ekoyi no se fafo na ma no wakasa no what mo politicians mo be kuye wakasa what's politicians mo be kuye po what wo fe koko boti aya pon ya me sa ne nam sa no so say ba na akra ya konto kwa abot na so sa na tie Ghana had the young guys and man to come out. We have a adwene.
semis ma meto ba ma te ho asem
that are now my hene wo ye po ya obo obi adu ho be so kwa junso obe tam ni se
trust wo ho
all of us
yeah
and this communicators in dance bring a wire man MPP communicators
na honso wire man so kwagu me patcho me enti o briefly the o catch
me Kofi Kinaata obi a me ka mu say me won nwom
oh okay
me bopa me panyum aye me panyum ankasa nti me tuka na se nye politics na metia
na wutie nwom
oba fie nso na se me da na me ntumi na nwom na metie na me da na oka omo a omo nwom ya me da pa bitu anatria me hu ne da ba me hu no wo ayi but the voice and the way I would sit on your money. A deep when answer. But an question be the way I was no say now word now word no more or friend was saying crying will be out in your more. It's true. It's not a face over do baby na cassette ya packing or a dano or more than you be able then go for no motor. And they be what's out. And will be no quarters in a cassette no because so call baby I could be a YouTube and baby bring you go download near talk na jomo so nti se onu fi se sa award no obekwa akoto abon na yento na nkofo be use no free no nya wa bi na hete na jaw download na benya kakra na boso mesu no benya kakra na ne nkofo nso ne fans ne nso ani beje no mo nso na ye
won sa abon e bi adwon be 5 7 eba amanfo entimi entie ni nyina but we say ya be
focused obia message na
frasa enti no krana the way I will see west no so select no good we heard the way mpanimfo ni bi including asofofo ne sa mpanimfo ni bi de o man no ko no ayese sikape ana bebre enti abrante yi nam sa anwum yi so na etu Ghana fofo na sina akwa asore bia Monday to Sunday om kwa asore yo tasofo no so na adwuma no Monday to Sunday okwa asore nto ba no okọ Sunday na nka Monday obokokruma akoton ade kakra ba no na tasofo na kakna jo hunu bibi wona ho nto omra na okọ na agye ne kakra ade achi a so aya brand ye ba ye mo ba ye fasting or ye fasting Tuesday we Wednesday ye ba ye your friends or ba be kan some
counseling bra counseling
oba counseling was bra be ja kwankyere ya wada enti Monday to Sunday wo die kakra opego no obaji ni nyina ba emusion kan
Israel no I'm here to go there
Oko Jerusalem the biggest church the Church of Nativity maybe call 2009 na membership 15
oh
I don't see the biggest church so
okay me that say mama tie adoma kona
ye bebo na ba so ye be koso na me your fan what nti if you dey kwei mama ka onko for
fans ne ho yes in the nyoma have them in mind hopes na doye kwekubu ahe na adoma ko be fi immediate past communications director ma MPP and see what's your full soldiers president ma MPP adoma ko me bacho you have the mic
Binyami DCP I would say I'm proud to be associated with this program this afternoon. The way Moshas here, full of inspiration. I even sent you a test. Into Kofi Kinaata, I'm so baby, I'm be a metallic, never bantem. Me to one mono. I'm actually the denom, what I say, Nanako, I'm Pedunum, be cransel near Domonam. But Nemo, Nema phone on your mom, de ban. Obi to say Samini, or Brafo, Sarkodianum, no more inspiring pa. But Branty, in fact, is proving, say, a negative phone will be Nema phone will be become. The other kind, I would see any casa any nipediano tona. He's a positive thinker. Also, the amount of mine, any we are seeing now, your chance to be a media mind, but optimism. Positive thinking. The idea we are lacking. Who will say a question? Was in Yomono. My purpose, they say, and yen is a medical pay award. He feels so relaxed. But I say, a nipana and a warrior man to the oil. Now, what do you answer when Yano deal? I see him to be a young philosopher. Or he's very resilient. Now looking at his background, baby, with free bar. Oh, now to me say, in fact, he's very fantastic. So we had the nature of his song now. The mom depend as a mom. I would say, and your various types. Research shows say heavy metal music, yeah, tempo near high, no, and when piano. One, the tempo is so relaxed. Yeah. Into your buoni pedu, and especially in the afternoons like that, called drive time near the adeno, oba a relaxed part. They are tossing me the choice of West. And see a very yipa. And the Emma young men no me bring no utie West on near the adena, some fan cotton, one fan cotton, but the choice is very specific. And I'll commend him on that. And looking at the rhythmic pattern, one course secondary school near Kaswaya literature or technical school. Yeah. I also much Daniel literature. But so be our literature, no I poetry appreciation. Now we just send you he's a wonderful guy. I respect him. What he has shared the rhythmic pattern. And the lyrics, the choice of words, I've already commended that. And I feel so it exudes some kind of African flavor. Yeah. So no wonder say or can say every Christian, those people, I'm saying yes, he knows where he's coming from. And now what most of our musicians are lacking is they are totally immersed in the Western computer. We see this more than 2,000. Boy, and baby, free bar. But me say, well, you're original. Or your original. Finally, idea about Kunsusua, but the pen as say, were you focused and were you message specific? There are so many of these musicians, ordinary, koto microscope say, who analyze here, theme, the choice, baby, or the yet to 1 or 2 be. But what you say, then you here. Yeah, I mean, Kwame, Sifaka, Eboya, Subu. Yes. Yeah, you know, Kwakukra Kajem, so the money devotion. What you say? Oh, no. Yabaka said, satirically, or expose one of the ways are poets and musicians. One of the duties is in society. Exposed to the ills in the society. Yeah. What you say? He's a masterpiece of a philosopher. So I'll commend him. In fact, we are proud of you. Yeah, that's yes, we are proud of you.
Ekosiisen is only Asempa 94.7 FM. We are just about wrapping up. And Kofi Kinaata has been our guest on the show. Kofi, it is this year record. Before I see a beacon, you better I drop us our new way ebio. But finally, message to Ghanaian. Onya Kindi no ye.
For 2 bars.
2 bars.
But Kindi no mixing.
Oh, Kindi na mixing. Yeah. No? Wow. But any Kindi wa click pow.
Yeah, on the move I singing answer. On na. Me ya monjum bia na da most of the monjum no. So you no boy on no mix.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Kindi.
2 bars no boy. 2 bars.
2 bars. Yeah. Or too much.
2 bars.
Kofi nti remember one our final message but say Kofi is superstar and to be share pictures amanfo ni ni try enye easy nti Kofi try pictures ne kakra wie na memfa messages kakra we intwam na afi maba aba be wrapping up comment ofoko say kai ofoko this is your Germany also chill papa ofoko good afternoon to you we say Obi please tell Kofi to give us some raw rap before he leaves the studio because his punchlines are super crazy. For the first time in the history of Asempa, Kofi has changed the whole program from all talk all day to all afternoon, all song on Asempa FM. Obi, you are super. Why? Prince Henry Ewoko dear Prince, thank you. Once a while now, dear film. Tell Kofi he is working for God through music, period. Chief Baine, again, with this one. We say, Obi, in fact, Kofi Kinaata is such a great guy. His creative prowess are solid like pipe and fufu. Hey! Enjoyable like a himfie and Paragon nightclub. Taste good like Tardy sisters, brothers. Love him to bit. Guy G again. Guy G, they work many times. Go for aye too much. Go for yeko. But man for request to say freestyle rap. Okay. Into minim baby at the Yanko.
It's mic check 1 2 obini yemu Missy Peg mobini name we. West side Tardy all eyes on me. OC man ye the meeting gree. Mempaya mobana mesranya nkopana den cobra mobana on church mama na unhu mobile mon keke mobana na man say nebila mama say mobana na into na wala wonder why them Kayla mama kulupunka me made the whereby when you wonder me na mucho punk macabell of was sponsor bohu ye huna wanka me le blow organize the BJ number pito ne eja pia botumi trinsa o se dem follow makatai onya pancha
Kofi too much Benjamin what next this year you mean be the promo no record and the focus no is on pushing them song and another single baby and saying
oh they go for this is for December I want me December nyumpo I dem that chalk
or the chalk now a release a special one for Tardy this December
no but okay initially no 3 tracks before the end of December but the way
you can release 3 before December
so what's when you meet say you moto do you either is a do you right when you ready to be 2 sisters to be yellow share by
maybe at least in the first quarter of next year share because you mean oboko things fall apart aha Busa Kofi mame.
Onim say me den ka dade mu ne.
Any reggae.
Maybe no. But enyumi ba na mentia me hwe things fall apart we say anabook ni anase
dey ni.
Na me kotie ye. Na ma matie ni nyom ni aba ko ni sa Adam and Eve na nam tie.
Oh sa.
Okay ni pen.
Na me tie. Na obi da bia me no kasa me kasa enwum no bi wo ho no mo a etwam ebi so ntwam. It depends on kwan ya befa so abetro dwom no asem ebom enti no entwamu da baabi wo ho no mo a se this year na beba next year wo boy enye ni America say previous ones cry ba meet otim say ne de na ya achede ne de na ya achede ti ma won frem Kofi konesa because kwan ya fa so me bisa o guy ya ne ba say obi na trauma no o se da bi obi an trauma
ono na trauma no
so what show what there with your beats and everything
wasan ato
nyame achewa de
wow
I wish you all the best nyame ache na de obi
Kofi Kinaata aye this is the aye gonyo too much
we feel with aye
Board chairman sports.
Oh, okay. National Sports Authority.
Yeah, honorable Kojoba.
Yeah, Kojoba.
What's it mean? Can chess on so yeah fan pa.
Oh, Kofi aye.
Go for it when you
Charlie. Aye too much.
Chairman for the engine is out. That Kojo. Chairman, you know I said the
chairman. Okay, into where you say and just guess who is coming through with this. Also, my regards to Kinaata. He always makes us proud. If you're a Kwame Joko, Okwamios, Onyamios,
what can I mess out a Empon.
Charlie Kofi, that's it. We wish you all the best.
I question I may answer.
More
also be fears.
Yeah. Also, greatest fear, yeah. Or yeah, bad.
On the day, me fear they may make impact. Why the alcohol molding bill?
That's the greatest fear.
How be able to buy alcohol? Yeah. Extra Bob Malia, what we put him double Malo or later we put in one way back all called this thing. In the hands, you know,
greatest fear,
a bad be in the home or would know book to us in me a cake. Now I knew you asked in the
so far, aye, Kofi, aye, aye. Now, Obi Sami there. Now, Kofi no crowd within fear saying an insane a piece. Isn't fine. And now, the typical African encounter age.
Late 20s.
Late 20s. Sure. Any 30 years.
Maybe.
Wow.
Hey. Ojo, I am no crack. Hey, ND 30. Asempa.
Asempa.
Now we are TTRB here.
2010.
I'm in St. John's 2001.
Cinema.
Oh, Charlie, wow, that's interesting. Kofinti, that's it. The best seat now. I got to
the vice chairman of Holland MPP.
Holland MPP, yeah. OTA, yeah,
or Philip was over invited one more.
I'm about Holland. Mr. Gig, say, Benyawa. Oh, this is a US gig. enya UK gig ebenya Holland de ewa enti ehefa e no hene no ekuapem
I want to confess
e boko
me invite na ko efijasi asokore ahinsan
minimum
I'm inviting you there try me bro
hey now me I feel I'm invitation oh go back pon katamanzo December
obi me so me de ne ko bomfa atiase na tabunu bonsu kwalebu teaching hospital administrator what me kan try say
o de ne ko bomfa
bonsu the second what ya what de ko bomfa atiase
susu biribiri krobia
okay ukrom hina no
SKB Asante
oh okay wow Kofi Yadas
and meet me this week
and ebechima nyame show
mama on Abuja Obe dance shout out
Obe do ansa o te wala oh
mama Joko to shout out Obia now Mr. Man of Mr. William Nkumsa
okay
Mr. William Nkumsa our Tamasisia Mr. Man one pay mama shout out nyame shira no
amen Kofi Kinaata
Orokodo
aye
Olumu
aye too much Charlie Kofi all the best what's it
guess what twas
I was on what was one and then no politics
I mean feel good too
and it's been an exciting interview with the man Kofi Kinaata with this brand new one in the background. Things fall apart. The brutal. Maybe today you've gotten up close and personal with him. You've heard his story, you've heard his background, and you've heard what the future looks like for him. Kofi Kinaata. Kofi Kinaata, real name ne abade? Martin Kinaata. Wow. Martin Ken. Dabenye Kenyatta. Why is it Kenyatta? Martin Kinaata. And Ekosiisen you made so any. You better to so after this short break. In Penifo Natanase, Ekuya Ewaha. Stay with us.
Asempa FM.